Business. The successful business of RUDA. RUDA is Rwanda Revolutionary United Democratic Advances for 200 good many causes. Ni ishyaka nyarwanda riharanira ubumwe bw'abanyarwanda muri demokarasi yihuse ku mpamvu nziza nyinshi 200 ku rwego rw'u Rwanda n'ibihumbi 2 ku rwego rwa Afurika n'ibihumbi 20 ku rwego rw'isi. Business steps. Business steps are like baby steps in life. Steps taken in starting a business. When I mean a business, I mean the gainful business. The business may be of all kinds, whereby you keep yourself busy in. The business may be of near or far distant. These steps are as follow. Step 1, managing the business operations. It involves carrying out all the management functions. For examples, 1, staffing of the business operations. 2, coordinating of the business operations. 3, supervising of the business operations. 4, monitoring of the business operations. 2, preparing a business enterprise. 3, launching a business enterprise. 4, preparing a marketing plan by looking at issues to do with the size of the market, growth of the market, position of the competition is, etc. 5, identifying business location and the acquisition or acquiring of the requirements. Like land, building, accessibility to the transport, communication on is the services. Oral communication services in a top gear to quicken the service deliveries. Nearness to market, equipment, raw materials, skilled manpower, unskilled manpower, and semi-skilled manpower. Six, selecting a legal form of business ownership from which can an enterprise choose what suits his business, or the enterprise entrepreneur can also choose what suits his business. 7, mobilizing necessary resources like funds, human labor, the skilled, semi-skilled, and the unskilled ones. Raw materials, saving increments, chances, Big NB, as clearly laid out in the business plan, and must be achievable one. 8. Preparing a business plan, which is a written summary of the proposed business venture, including its operational details, finance details, to mention but a few as the RUDA president. 9. Assessing out to a market survey for the selected business opportunities. 10. Carrying out a market survey after assessing for the selected business opportunities. 11. Selecting business opportunities suitable to your background and feasible in the market areas in terms of ability to meet his business needs and then